Communication is an integral part of our day-to-day life, and many services like television broadcasting, banking, broadband connectivity and telephony are enabled through communication satellites stationed in the geostationary orbit far in space. In the past 3 decades, ISRO has launched and maintained a constellation of communication satellites essentially for domestic use. ISRO's GSAT series, with more than a dozen satellites in orbit, is dedicated to provide communication services all over the country.
GSAT-30 spacecraft is a high-power communication satellite. It will replace the aging INSAT-4A spacecraft. The satellite is based on ISRO's standard I-3K satellite bus and will provide 12 normal C-band and 12 Ku-band transponders.
The satellite has 3-axis stabilized, momentum-biased control system with a host of sensors, reaction wheels and thrusters.
GSAT-30 is an advanced communication satellite with a lift-off mass of 3,357 kilograms to provide valuable communication services to the country for more than 15 years. This satellite will generate around 6 kilowatts of power. A host of new and advanced technologies are used to realize this satellite.
The satellite has 2 large propellant tanks accommodated within its central structural cylinder. Liquid apogee motor, which is GSAT-30's main engine, is mounted on a separate deck which interfaces with the bottom ring of the cylinder. The power system of the satellite comprises of deployable double-sided solar arrays for generating electric power and a lithium-ion battery of 180 ampere-hour capacity.
GSAT-30 communication payload is equipped with 12 C-band transponders and 12 Ku-band transponders. C-band transponders are designed for two-way communication using VSAT terminals over a vast geographical region extending up to Australia in the east and Europe in the west.
GSAT-30 will provide continuity of direct-to-home TV services from this lot as well as digital satellite news gathering and very small aperture terminal services. Ku-band transponders will provide services over Indian mainland and islands.
The onboard Ku-band beacon transmitter will help Earth stations to point their antennas precisely towards the satellite. GSAT-30 will be the 24th Indian satellite launched by the Ariane launch vehicle of Arianespace. The Ariane 5V vehicle carrying GSAT-30 onboard Ariane 5 launch vehicle from the European spaceport in Kourou, French Guiana. First, the launcher will inject GSAT-30 into a 250 by 35,975 kilometer elliptical geosynchronous transfer orbit, commonly known as GTO. Subsequently, the satellite's orbit will be raised from the GTO to the final circular geostationary orbit GSO by controlled firing of its liquid apogee motor LAM in stages. The deployment of the solar panels and the antennas will commence as the satellite nears its geostationary orbital home.
The satellite employs high-power amplifiers and state-of-the-art antenna system to meet the requirements of multiple users.
With GSAT-30, ISRO is once again poised for yet another milestone event which will further strengthen our communications infrastructure and provide continuity of satellite communication services to the country well into 2030s.